What's going on, guys? So today I'm trying out this air freshener here. Interesting concept. These are supposed to go on your cabin air filter. All right, so it's out of sight, out of mind. It's funny because I feel like I've made a video on this before, but I had this idea back when I had my Chrysler 200. And what I did was, when I was replacing my cabin air filter, I sprayed a bunch of cologne on the filter. So the idea is the air is flowing through the system, coming out of our vents here, and it's pumping all that scent. And it works. It works actually really well, but it didn't last very long. So I'm curious to see if this lasts longer. So this is from Pureflow. I do have another air filter. It's not really time to change air filter here, but if for some reason it doesn't fit on the stock one, it should probably work with the other one, but we'll see. So first time popping this open. This should be pretty easy. I did take everything out of here because I keep a ton of crap everywhere. So let's see, I think this arm pops off. Okay, and this tab pushes in. I don't know if I need to do it on both sides. Hold on, let me put you down for a second here. And yes, so to push on both sides. All right, so now this completely lowers out of the way here. So I got the sun on my face up top. All right, you guys can see it. Can you see in there? Hang on. I need a little bit more light here. I always keep flashlights everywhere. Just the one I keep in the car. Hang on. I did this one-handed, take it out of the sheath. So here's an O-light. This is the TT20. This one happens to have my name on it. That is my real name, Jeff Smith. Let's go ahead and just turn this on, just to give you guys a little extra light so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna crawl in here, and there's tabs, should be tabs on one side or the other, and the light fell. I want to say that the right side probably pops off. There we go. All right, so here's a little cover. And there is our air filter. Pop the air filter out. See, it's definitely a little bit dirty here. Go ahead and just shake that stuff out. All right. Pulling in a couple leaves. Actually, I'll be right back. I'm just going to vacuum this for now. All right, so just give it a quick vacuum just to get some of the other smaller stuff out. All right, so let's take this out of the package. I'm gonna put you guys down again for just a second here. Pop this guy out. All right. Smells good. You know, it smells like the black ice air freshener you get from like the car wash or something. Just smells kind of like a guy's cologne. Smells good. All right, so let's look at the instructions here. Make sure I'm going to do this right. So we're supposed to place this down on the side, obviously, if the airflow is coming through, so it would be on the top. All right, so that goes up, as you can see from the front. So this is going to stick in here just like this, I guess. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. So let's see if that's right. Pop the air filter back in. Does fit. Fits with the thing on there, which is nice. Take our cover, make sure our cover's on there correctly. It's hard because I'm flying blind here. It's hard to see what exactly I'm doing. All right, left side on? No. All right, left side, or the right side clicked in, but the left side wasn't on. So hang on just a second. You can see what I'm trying to do here. Give me just a moment here. So I have to kind of turn upside down. There we go. A little better to see. Definitely don't want to break anything. It's stupid. Okay. There we go. So we're all snapped in. Pretty simple stuff. You watch automotive videos. You want to see how to change your cabin air filter out. But that's it. So it cants in from the left, snaps in on the right, and we are good to go. So I have to shut my light off. Let's put this up here. Actually, I have to, hang on, put this arm on before it snaps all the way in on top. All right, so arm snapped in, that's snapped in. Have a little rubber mat in there, put that off to the side, and we are good to go. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing really to see as far as, you know, whether it's working or not. I just gotta drive around. When the heat's on, it should be pumping that smell out of the vents. So I'll certainly keep you updated. Well, actually, the second part of this video, again, will be about a month later, and I'll let you know how it worked.